Just a quick disclaimer, the beginning of this video is the actual tutorial. The rest is more just information about pausing your membership itself. So you want to pause your Audible membership. Really? But Audible is such a great app. Why would you want to do that? And I'm just kidding. This is a no hassle video. I mean, don't get me wrong. Audible is the GOAT, okay? It just is. But if you want to pause your membership on it, here's how, and I'm going to tell you how to do this on your computer. If you're having trouble doing the same exact thing on your phone, on the site, not the app, but the site, let me know in the comments below. On your computer, all you got to do is go to the Audible site, go to your name in the upper right hand corner, go to account details, go to pause membership, and then confirm. Here are a few FAQs about pausing your membership, with answers of course. Why am I not seeing the option to do this? If you're like me and you didn't see any option to pause your Audible membership, it's probably because memberships billed through Google Play or the Apple App Store are not eligible for pause. They're not. Don't ask me why, please. I've never even paused my membership before. I've never even thought about it. I've been using Audible for almost 10 years and I couldn't even give you an educated guess from experience. What happens when I pause my membership? No matter what membership plan you have, pausing your membership pauses your payments. You can always continue or cancel your membership anytime. How often can I pause my membership? You can do this once every 12 months. This 12-month period starts when the pause is done and your membership continues. You're also only allowed to pause after 30 days of paid membership. What happens when the membership continues? Your membership will auto-renew to the regular monthly payment. What if I pause my membership and then cancel while it's paused? If you do this, you won't be billed and you'll have access to your member benefits until the end of the billing period. But there you have it. That's how to pause your membership. A little bit more information on pausing your membership and just what it does. For a more general idea though of what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and a walkthrough of the app, I did an excellent video going over all of that and I'll drop that in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and they're like 10-15 minutes long. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I'll see you then.